Anita saw a recipe on the TV this week. It was for Theo's lemon chicken and winter salad, and decided that that's what we were going to have a go at for this weekend. So it actually involves lemons, which we've got from our tree. It says 2 lemons, we've got a selection there. We've got some butternut squash, we've got some chilli flakes, onion, some local olive oil, and we needed some spinach, but we've got a bit of a mixture of leaves there, but I'm sure that'll be okay. We've got some lentils in a jar already cooked, so they're ready to eat. Oregano, parsley, and some chicken as well. So these are chicken thighs. Oh, good. So we've got some feta cheese down there. Oh, I do like feta cheese. Very nice. So let's have a go, see what it comes out like. So the recipe called for some very thinly sliced lemons. So there we go. We'll start with this one. I'll just take the top of it off.
Watch your fingers.
Got nice thick zest on this. So we'll just thinly slice the lemon.
Pick these freshly from on the tree in the rain.
We had some rain this morning, so that's why we're not out. We're doing something indoors. And we're just going to put this thinly sliced lemon at the bottom of a baking tray.
Smells delicious.
So the idea, I think, is just to line the tray with these. That particular lemon to start with is probably going to be enough. I'll just cut some in half.
Good way of using our lemons if this is nice.
The other thing I particularly like using the lemons for is to descaling the kettle. We do have quite hard water here in Mallorca, and the lemons do a great job of getting rid of the cal. Okay, it says first of all we've got to season this, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. And then just to lay the chicken down onto the lemon. So seems to be a bit of a shortage of chicken at the moment.
Well,
maybe
lots of meat actually.
Maybe due to Valencia, I don't know. But this was the only one that Anita could actually find in the shop. So I'm just going to lay this out on the top of the lemon.
Looks nice.
I think we'll be eating this for a few days.
That's good. Nice healthy meal.
We're going to drizzle with olive oil. And then it said to season with salt. Oh no, I'll probably put too much salt on it.
We obviously got salt on the lemon as well.
Pepper. Some chili flakes. Spice it up a little bit. And oregano. Oh, tumbling dice. And there you go, ready to go into the oven.
It's on 200 and in the chicken goes. I'm going to put it this way around so we can fit something next to it.
Next thing we've got to do is, for the next stage for this winter salad, is to cut the butternut squash off. So I'm just going to take the end off there. And it said 1 inch.
That's quite thick.
That's actually quite thick.
And they said apparently the seeds are only in this end of the butternut squash. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not in Spain. Oh, on that end maybe.
Let's see if I can just get the end off here without chopping my fingers off.
Really hard to cut.
So we've kept the skin on, so we did actually wash this before we started, and I'm just going to do some de-seeding now. Quite a messy operation.
Doesn't matter if you leave a few in, I don't suppose.
Pretty much it. Not really any. Alright, I'm just going to put this into another baking tray.
These IKEA baking trays are great, aren't they?
I'm not going to use the ends there. And now, again, a little drizzle of olive oil. We use a lot of olive oil, and it has been very expensive, but it seems to be going down a little bit now in price. And again, season with a little salt and pepper. Quite like my pepper.
I can never get it to come out like that. Butternut squash is going to join the chicken in the oven for about 30 minutes. Let's see what they look like after that. I'm sure they're going to smell delicious as well.
We do like asparagus, so this is just something separate that we're going to have. So just wash the asparagus and then just break it off, and if you're in a hurry you can chop them off, but breaking them off and you'll get rid of the woody bits at the end.
Asparagus here is delicious.
So there's the asparagus in there, and again it's a drizzle of olive oil.
How long will this cook for? Not very long.
Cook them till they're done. And I will put some salt on. And we just pop those into the oven as well.
Good job, we've got a nice big oven. Move this. Hang on. Good job, we've got a nice big oven here.
Well, there's the asparagus, that looks really nice, ready to put on a plate. It's taken a little bit longer than we thought, but that's just about cooked now. We just now add all of the other ingredients, so chopped an onion. That's it. Anita's prepared the feta cheese. A bag of leaves here.
Not much space.
Should have got a bigger tray.
I think you should stir that in first.
I did chop the squash up a little bit on Anita's recommendation. Fold it in, it says.
Yeah, should have put something bigger maybe. Just something a bit bigger.
There's only 2 of us as well.
Anybody else like to join us? Quite welcome.
Got to be here before 2 o'clock though.
Got to put the lentils in as well. And then some balsamic vinegar. It looks nice.
And yeah, the last thing is the lentils. These are just straight out of the jar and they've been washed.
Fold them in. Looks nice, doesn't it? Just to show you the chicken here, which we have actually tried. So lemon chicken and a winter salad.
Finally, just a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar.
It should actually have beetroot in, but I don't like cooked beetroot. There's no room anyway.
Forgot the beetroot.
There's no room. We got asparagus instead. So let's see what it tastes like. And here is the finished plate of my food. Chicken and salad and a glass of water. No wine today, a glass of water. Hope you enjoyed watching it and I hope it tastes nice.